got the common Samsung issue right here. So the food is warming up just a little bit. Alright, so now we gotta remove these screws. There's one behind here and take this off. Alright, so we got a little ice on this one, nothing much, so we should be able to drain this one pretty good. Alright, so this is the Silco heater, and I'm about to add on across the top of this. This is the way I do it. Some people do it different ways. I tried the other ways, got called back. Some person said just remove this sensor, replace it, and put it in a different location. That didn't work. Some people said change out the drain clip. That didn't work. Change out the heater. So the only thing I found that worked was adding on a heater. That's for me, but maybe you guys do it a different way. All right, so we got the heater added. Just gotta install everything back.